The digitization of property has many moving parts. In this presentation, SLACi introduces deep data used in digitizing physical assets. In addition, we'll help owners understand what strategic investments in technology they can make to facilitate digitally enhanced operations and improve asset valuations.
Digitizing physical property is a matter of documenting the deepest details of the asset to improve efficiency. Today, these initiatives have moved beyond basic computer files like Word and Excel to machine-readable data stored in the cloud. This property data will be combined with vendor technologies to digitize property operation, enhance workflow efficiency, and create value in data assets. Deep data is best described as detail manufacturers publish in product documentation. The concept of build is to assemble a final product from many components. This information or the specifics of build are unique to each property and inherently linked to its operation and maintenance. Providing digital access to the data creates a foundation to improve operational efficiency through the technology of service providers who build and maintain assets. Data creates value through operational efficiency. It also offers property owners an opportunity to generate revenue in markets for data analytics. Access to detailed property information will transform manual workflows through augmented autonomy. And deep data allows service provider technology to emerge independent of the property and its digital assets at no additional cost to property owners. The complete digitization of a physical property may only be feasible in new build projects that digitally document construction. Existing assets will assemble files and publish digital data progressively, beginning with a minimum data set required to begin initiating workflow autonomy. It's important property owners understand the digitization of property operation is deep tech. This means digital operation requires many technologies and user solutions that will emerge over time. However, the contribution of owners is limited to property data and infrastructure for secure access. Service providers will adopt technologies that use your data to improve their own process and procedures. Property owners will start transforming assets by preparing a minimum data set that combines digital data with analog files. A well-documented one-story building could cost less than $10,000 to convert. Once assembled, we'll need a cloud account, starting around $200 a year, to store and share data. In fragmented business models like real estate, a unified security model is critical. SLACi offers an agnostic infrastructure that operates seamlessly in the background. Early forecasts suggest data security will cost about $5,000 with a $100 annual fee. Finally, digitized property operation requires a central authority to oversee data and workflow integration between widely diverse user technologies. Management technology will provide most administrative functions for the property's digital assets. There are several ways to store deep property detail, but basic text files offer the greatest performance, flexibility, and portability between owners, users, and technologies. Here we display information in text speak on the left. Details are viewed in a browser or user app as presented on the right. In contrast, the same data stored in a PDF would require users to upload a file so artificial intelligence can search and extract details. Once information is retrieved, users can continue with the task at hand. Digitized property data allow users and technology to skip these steps and retrieve data as part of the process.
Thank you for attending SLACi's presentation on deep data and the digitization of property. Additional white papers on property data, AI, and workflows are available at SLACi.com. Further details about the construction project supply chain infrastructure, SLACi, and AI data solutions for build can be found at the Bid Forms organization. To initiate the digitization of your physical asset, please contact the AI data team at SLACi.